Friday, Mai. We're just on Second Road here. We're just leaving the Hard Rock Hotel. This is an amazing hotel. I've only got 3 nights here. It's very expensive, but boy, is it worth it. One of the best hotels I've ever stayed in. Staff are great. The grounds are great. Facilities are great. A1. Check out the view from my hotel room. Look at the back, and look at the sea and the beach. It's Beach Road just opposite. Rooms are fantastic. That is a very comfy bed. Hotel room is well equipped. One of the good things about the hotel is that you can get one of these guitars delivered to your room and you can play. Also, every hotel in Hard Rock around the world has memorabilia. So that was Slash, and that's Madonna's outfit. Great bars. There's on-site bar and everything at the Hard Rock Hotel. I wish I could stay there more. Okay, back on Second Road here. That's the Siam Hotel in the distance. You can see there. That's where I met up with some friends yesterday for one of the craziest nights of my life in Pattaya. Yeah, so here we go. That's the Siam Hotel. It's got one of the best rooftop bars ever. What a great view. That's sunset that was. Had a few drinks, as you can see. Got well oiled, and then we proceeded for craziness. Okay, we're just leaving Second Road now. We're on to Pattaya Saisong 4, I believe this is. Little side road. These side roads connect all the main arteries inside the city, so you just go from one to the other, and they're quite tight and narrow. And you just have to be careful sometimes because they can be a little twisty, and people use them as a rat run to get from one place to the other very quickly, and you have to be careful of things just popping out on you like this 4x4. Takes a wide turn there. Well, I wasn't expecting this Tesla Model Y. I bet he's nervous driving around the city on these tight roads. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it's quite tight around here for cars. A friend of mine lives very close to this location, and there is a little coffee shop just there on the right hand side that does the best iced coffee. Okay, we're making a left turn here. We're trying to head to where am I going to? Yeah, we're trying to get through to Third Road. So today's mission, we're off to AAS Harley-Davidson Pattaya. So Harley-Davidson dealership. I need to go pick up some t-shirts and some memorabilia for myself, and also for a couple of friends at Cheltenham Harley-Davidson back in England. So I need to navigate my way, and I've got to be careful. I think there's a temple there on your right, and you just got to be careful of people pulling out. So you have to ride defensively in the city. It's a lot of fun, don't get me wrong. It takes me, I'm getting used to it now. This is just the second day, and within a couple of days I'm just zipping in and out. But you have to be careful, like this truck pulling out here. So defensive there we go, just get out of his way. And at the junction here, deciding what to do, where I'm going to go, when can I go, and the guy to my right makes a decision for me, so I just follow him. Yep, just go. Okay, so we're on Third Road now, heading south. We need to get to Pattaya, Central Pattaya Road. That building you can see up in the distance, that is the Arbor Hotel.
That's the Arbor Hotel.
A friend of mine who is my mentor, he stayed
really
at that hotel. It's very nice. I may stay there in the future. Okay, so here we go. We're going to turn left now onto Central Pattaya Road, and we need to pick up the main road heading south out of Pattaya called Sukhumvit Road. I ride up and down these roads over the next 2 weeks so much. Pretty much by the end of the second week, I no longer need Google Maps to navigate the city. Some of the things I was doing during the day was just getting lost on purpose, just going down small soys. Where does it lead to? I even went and got the bike washed and waxed a couple of times because I like to keep this brand new bike that Salika rented me in good condition, and I just found it by chance. There's a hospital there on the left. Obviously I don't need to use the hospital this trip, thankfully. This is Sukhumvit Road, so we've got to be careful here because everyone's riding or driving at different speeds, so you really have to pay attention to what you're doing when you're riding these roads. So as you can see, the weather is absolutely fantastic. I'm riding around in shorts and t-shirt. It's quite late in the afternoon. I didn't get back to the hotel till very late in the morning, so I've only had a few hours sleep. I'm only going to do this run to Harley-Davidson, pick up the stuff, go back to the hotel and chill, because we've got another big night ahead of me. So just squeeze in between these two pickup trucks, yoink, park in the bike spot, and just wait our turn. What you don't see is just above me, outside of the vision, is the lights that do a countdown, which is very handy. So you don't have to sit there like you do in America. You can sit in some intersections in America for 5 minutes waiting for the lights to change. And that guy just went straight through a red light, and I'm thinking, do I do the same thing? And then there's another one, just go straight through the red light. I decide not to. I'll decide to wait for the lights to change, because knowing my luck, there'll be a police officer just off to the left somewhere waiting for me, the Western Farang, to break the law and pay 1,000 baht fine. Okay, here we go. Zoom, zoom, zoom. McDonald's. I do not eat any, well, that's a lie. I do have one burger on my very last day in Thailand, but I eat nothing but Thai food all through my trip. Morning, afternoon, evening. Thai food is amazing. It is so fresh, it's so tasty, and people who know me know I don't like spicy food. I tried a lot of spicy food when I was in Pattaya. I even had Isan snacks. Okay, here we go. Oh, we're coming up to Harley-Davidson now. Make a sharp left turn here into the parking area. It's a nice dealership here. It's pretty cool. They've got a nice big statue outside the front. Bit of a commotion going on. Looks like someone's buying a bike. Yep. Looks like it's a Harley-Davidson Breakout Softail, top of the range. Very lucky man. Very expensive in Thailand as well, these bikes. Very expensive. He looks really happy. One of the reasons why I come to this dealership is because I want to ask them a question about whether the Harley-Davidson factory, where my bike is made actually. My bike's only made 30 kilometers northeast of Pattaya. I really wanted to go and visit and see the production line, but unfortunately due to COVID they said that they don't do the tours anymore. And that lady there, she helps me pick out some t-shirts and some bits and bobs. Okay, we just left Harley-Davidson, back on Sukhumvit Road, and just notice this is that's the King. You see these every now and again dotted around. Royal family in Thailand is a big deal, so you do not disrespect the Thai royal family in any way, shape or form. Okay, so I believe this is Soy Thop Prasit 6, which I could probably mispronounce that. These are tight, twisty roads. It's really fun to ride. I really enjoy riding in Pattaya. Don't get me wrong, I wish I was on my Harley-Davidson. Oh, that's OJ Barbers. It's one thing I've got to do when I get back to Pattaya is go and try the barber shops. Apparently they're supposed to be extremely good. You get a great service and value for money as well. But everything is value for money in Pattaya, in Thailand. Okay, we're trying to get back to Central Road, and got to be so careful. This is a bit of a free-for-all here. Yes, no, go, no, yes, go. Just go. Do as the locals do. One thing I learned pretty quick is just try and keep my line on the road, because there's always going to be someone who's going to be faster than you. So just try and keep yourself to yourself, and they will ride around you. And within a couple of days, I'm going to be riding around people. Okay, right. So this is Central Pattaya Road again. We're going to be heading. West towards the sea. Trying to get back to Second Road so we can get back to the hotel. So Second Road is just off from Beach Road. That's obviously famous for Walking Street at the very bottom end of Beach Road. You'll see some of Beach Road in the next video. Okay, so I just want to thank you for your time, and if you're going to rent a bike in Pattaya, please rent a bike from my good friend Blackbird Motorbikes.